tuple, define tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. यानी कि length of 6 but index wise is 5. Okay, so print t of 0, so accessing element is 10. Print is -1, so Nila -1 means
Negative, right?
sorry, what output? -1 means
-1. Sorry, no idea.
there are two types of indexing. First is forward,
Negative and positive, right? You said
negative and positive.
yeah.
Position,
Now it's negative, right?
yeah, it's negative.
Negative means it's the right side. -1 means 60, right?
Yeah, 60. Yeah, you're right. Now, why you confused? Okay, yeah. 0 is positive, so 0 is index with output is 10
10.
and -1. And what is a 100? Nila, what is a 100 output?
100 is negative, right? 100 output is
100 is index available or not available?
not available.
Not available. So out of index. So error, index error.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So 10 is 0, 60 is 1, -1 and 100. So 100 is error. Index error, tuple index out of range. Because index is only 5, 0 to 5. So index range is 5 only. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Second is by using slice operator. Yeah. So what is the output? You already slice operator now. You know. Two, 0, 1 and 2. 30, 40, 50, 60. Am I right? Yeah, wrong.
So is it 30?
It's working. Okay, check. Yeah, I am right. Because 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, I will solve this. Okay. Index value to define start, end, and steps. Same range function, same range data type. Okay. So start is defined as 2. So index is defined as 0, 1, 2. Starting value is defined, predefined is starting value 0. If I say define 2, so 0, 1, 2. Starting value is 30. Okay, 30. If I say define 100, so 100 is your end value. Okay, end value is 100. But 100 is not defined. 100 index is not defined. So 100 defined, so go through inner index 60. So up to 60. But steps is not defined step. So by default is increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 30 is starting value and steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last. So 30, 40, 50, 60. So last is 60. So output is your 60.
Then
Got
why
it?
it is 1, 2, 3? The step is 1, 2, 3. How it is possible?
1, 2, 3 means
Uh,
okay, yeah. This is steps. Start is
yeah,
by default start is 0. Okay.
yeah.
End value to define how to increment end value to define it. Means that means for example the range na range is defined is 10. So start is 10 value.
Um,
End is 20. So minus 10
mm,
minus 1 and define is 2. So steps is 2 2 2 steps. But by default
yes.
step 1 1 1. But
Mm,
is minus 2. But there is
mm,
no minus 2, no minus 1. But only one difference. Only fixed value defined fixed value, and this is including the minus 2 value there. Then we range
okay.
only three types of value: starting, end, and steps. Because ending value is always including and last value steps is always decreasing. Minus 2, minus 1, minus only one value minus. But there is no minus value. If I say defined, okay, yeah. If I say defined 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay.
Mm,
So result is 100. So not excluding value. Got it? Understand? Not understand?
actually, now itself I couldn't understand. The steps is 10, right? Then how could you say
Okay,
1,
okay,
2,
रुको
3?
रुको. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. If I say define 10,
Mm,
okay,
mm,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
mm,
Under 10 na? Under 10 na?
mm,
So 9 is execute, so 9 value is execute. If I say define 101, if I say 10 value,
mm,
okay, so
mm.
result is only,
Okay.
okay,
Mm, mm,
or if I say define 1,
mm, mm.
so result is same. Steps one by step increment na. If I say define 2, so 30, 50, 70, 19. Understand and not understand? Neela.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Fayaz?
Mm, mm.
Sir, understood. Understood.
Understood. Okay. Okay. This is slicing operator. Okay. Third is tuple with immutability. Tuple versus immutability. What is immutability? Once we create tuple, we cannot change its content. Hence, tuple objects are immutable. Okay. Once we create tuple, we cannot change its content. Hence, tuple objects are immutable. I say this. Yeah, no, no, no. Yeah. So tuple object does not support item assignment. But if I say T1 equal to list list function T and T1 assign 1 equal to 20 and print of T1. Yeah, perfect. So, do you understand? Because this is wrong, okay? And T.
70.
T. Yeah. This means take most recent call T1 of 70. Type error tuple object does not support item assignment. Because that means type error tuple object does not support item, because once we create tuple we cannot change its content, hence tuple objects are mutable. Okay, but other examples, sir, I won't update my tuples, so how can? Okay, yes, so how? My tuple is T1 equal to 1 2 3 4. This is my tuple. Okay, can I will update you this? Can I update? Okay, because tuple is immutable. But this is, I am sure this, I want to prove this is mutable. So how to convert mutability? So this is convert T2 equal to list function list function of T1 and print, sorry, and T2 of 1, this is index position, and equal to 5 and print this is a important questions for interviewer asking your interview. T2.
நல்லா டைப் பண்ணி காமிக்கலாம்ல.
Hello.
Important questions.
This understand? You are not understand this question. That is output. Okay, yeah, output.
It's not
Yeah.
clear, Mr.
Okay, yeah, this
Actually.
okay. That is only, this is general purpose. देखो, what is the difference between tuple only once we create tuple we cannot change its contents, hence tuple is object are mutable. Okay, but other way, मतलब any situation, any kind of situation, these tuples are changeable. How can I changeable? Think about it. How can it changeable? So convert to tuple to list function convert and update the list, and convert after list to tuple, and output show your tuple is changeable. This is a high level. This is complexity, but this is a low level. Only tuple is immutability. Once we create tuple, we cannot change its content. Hence, tuple object are immutable. So this is your answer. Type error: tuple object does not support item. But this is other way. This is a advanced level. This is a advanced level. So tuple, create tuple. List function to convert t. So tuple convert t यानी कि type of t1 because so यहाँ देखो आप अगर मैं लिखता हूँ print type of t, this is tuple but convert list function. So print of type of t1 convert list and convert list to assign the list and call the value. If you want this is list but define the list tuple na, but you want to output be tuple. So t2 equal to tuple tuple and convert t1 and so assign the value. This is complicated. This is result is yeah tuple. So changing this tuple to changeable. So this is advanced level. So don't mind. Only this questions is also this. So do not confuse. If say t of 1 equal to 7, so print of t. So this is error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Got it? Only simple way. Prayas, understand?
Yes, I understand now. Yeah.
Okay. Holy. Nila, understand this simple way to convert tuple is not object supported item assignment. So because tuple is a immutable, not a mutable. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Why you nervous? Yeah, okay. I'm confidently okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. In this
Yeah.
case, can we change backward?
Backward?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we change it by the backward system?
Backward system. Okay.
I mean, from tuple, then we will change to list, then make changes, and we then convert to tuple. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
In this case,
Backward. This is forward way. This is if you want
yeah.
to backward. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is same this. Okay. If I say -1. Okay. 17. So
Okay.
the value is -1. So
Okay.
this is yeah. This is 70. This is -1.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, because tuple
Yeah, got
and list both are supported positive and negative indexes. Okay. If I say
Okay.
if I say print t2 means tuple of -1. So this is value is 70. Okay. Tuple is always and list is always both index positive and negative. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Third is mathematical operators for tuple. Yeah. We can apply plus and this. What is this? This operator. You know this operator? Multiplication.
Multiple.
But this is not multiple. This is a repetitions operators. Repetition. repeat your codes. Okay. First is this, that is concatenations operator. Plus is concatenations. If you want single value means they define is yeah. If you want to a equal to 10 and b equal to 20 and print a plus b. So this operator are only addition purpose because integer value integer both are integer, so denote is only addition operator, that is called addition. And if say a equal to str1 means string and a a1 a1 equal to str2 and print str1 plus str2. So what is this operator? That is called, if you want only integer value, so that is called arithmetic यानी कि addition operator. Or if you want to adding two strings, so that are called concatenations operator, not addition operator. So because is action change, because operand change means action change. This is operand change and action change. Got it? Concatenations. If you add two list and two tuples and two dictionaries are add, means addition. One is tuple 1 and one is tuple 2. So tuple 1 and tuple 2. So that is concatenations operator. That means concatenations operator. Tuple 1 and tuple 2. Tuple 3 adding the tuple 1 tuple 2. So result is your display. I will show example. Yeah. Print T3. Yeah. Okay. That is concatenation operator. No adding 10 plus 40 plus 50, not 20 plus 50, 60, 70. This is not a, only this is concatenation operator. If I say both, if I say list, so this is same result. Okay. When it is called addition, when it is called concatenation. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Neela, got it?
Yeah.
Okay. सौविक समझ में आ रहा है ना?
हाँ सर.
ओके. आज कृष्णा नहीं आया है यार. टुडे कृष्णा इज नॉट कमिंग. ओके. Yeah. Second is multiplication operators or repetition operators. Both are same. What is repetition operator and multiplication operators? Okay. print of T2. Okay, yeah. Tuple is T1 is tuple 10, 20, 30. T2 equal to T1 repetition of 3 times. So repeat 3 times 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 and 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3 times. Same, apply the list. Okay. Can I say try this string? Neela, can I try this string? 500 times.
Oh. Cannot.
Result is true or false?
Maybe. Um,
Okay,
possible.
check it. Oh, result is successful. But I say space. I want to space. So, oh. Can I this? No way. Can I plus? No way. Why? Okay, you find it. How to spaces? Okay, how to space in this Nila. Okay, because list, tuple, and string and set 3 types of data to store manipulating. यानी कि manipulation means यानी कि repetitions. Your code to repetitions. So allow set, dictionaries, and tuples and list, and as well as string. Okay. Important functions of tuple. What is important functions? Len functions to return number of elements present in the tuple. So how to check? Okay, yeah, check it. Print how many times is len of T2. So 2000. Nila, repeat 2000 times. Because 5100, because Nila 1, Nila 2, Nila 3, Nila 4, Nila 5. 5 into 4 into 5, any 2000. Okay, count the length function. Okay, how many times return this functions? Yeah, and second is count function. Count functions you already teach you list function, list data type. What is a count function? To return number of occurrence of given elements in the tuple. यानी कि how many times to repeat your numbers and characters to count function, to count function. For example, this way. Yeah. 10, 1, 2, 3. So 10 is how many times repeat? 3 times. Shivam. Shivam. Two times. To check your strings, numbers, if I say S, if I say one character, 0, means why is 0? Can you tell me why is 0? Because Shivam is a full string, not a single character. Shivam is a full string, not a single character. Okay? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 index is all Shivam, not a single S. If I say print T of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So Shivam. 5 pe on Shivam, not a single S. Got it? So S is 0. So 0 is not a repeat of S. Got it? Not got it.
Yeah.
If I say 6, if I say 6, so both Shivam Shivam, because value is same but index is different. Okay. Yeah. Third is index. Returns index of first occurrence of the given elements. If the specified element is not available, then we will get error. The same example. 5, index value 5, so get it Shivam. 6 and get Shivam. Understand now? Indexing. If I say done 0, so 10 is appear. This is index value. Fourth, this is sorted. Sorted means to sort element based on default nature sorting order. The sort functions. Okay, yeah. Sorted. T tuple is defined 40, 10, 30, 20. Sorted of T to assign T1 variable. So print T1 and print of T. Print T1 and print T. Both are difference is same. देखो print of T, because to convert sorting to convert list, not a tuple. If you want to perform sorted, if you want to sorted value in tuple, so convert your list automatically. And T is your T. This is T data types. This is your confused value. To convert only list. Do you know sort and sorted? If I say defined a, okay, yeah, list function, list, okay. So 10, 20, 30, and 40. And I say use sort. Not sort, only sorted. So convert only list. If you want to define a tuple, if you want to sort it, if you want to use sorted, so convert is list types, not a completely your tuples. Understand?
But both is same, right?
Got it? Same? Yeah. Same, man. Okay. Can you reconnect again? Because remaining meeting is 1 minute left. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
Oh yeah.
Sure, sir.
Okay.